Hello guys and welcome back. It's Abdullah, as you all know, and I'm smart. In this video guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take live trades on Bybit app. But before then, I'll show you how to use what we call demo trading. Demo trading, as you hear, is just like where you can use to is in the app that you can use to learn how to trade. You'll be given some amount of money. You will see there, you will see it's I think it's very plenty. It's just for you to be able to learn how to trade. You can also edit it, you can increase and also decrease it. It's just for you to learn how to trade, but the money you see there, you cannot be able to remove it. So when you want to open the demo account, you come to where you see more here. Click on more. Then you can search for demo trading and you can see it here. Click on it. It will take you directly to the demo trading demo account. Sorry, it's loading. I think it's network error. Yes guys, it has brought me to the demo account. So you have to come here. This is home. Everything is this is just like the market. As you can see, this is the first thing demo account is going to tell you. Welcome to demo trading. Start trading with $100K demo assets. This asset, you can't be able to use it. You can only be able to look at it. You cannot touch anything from it. It's just for you to learn how to trade. So click on it. Then you move to your assets here to tell you funded. And click here and you'll see you have 2.5. Guys, if now you get this money, more no be small, yeah, small thing. No. So let's move on guys. You can adjust the demo fonts as I said. So for starting, I would advise you to reduce fonts. So when you want to reduce, you have to calculate how many can you remove from this to turn it to the amount you want to use to trade. So I want to use $100 to start trading. So I'll just come here, adjust and reduce fonts. I'm going to reduce 50,000 USDT from this place. 50,000 USDT. Next one also 50,000 USDT. This one, as you can see, is BTC, so I can only reduce one BTC and also one Ethereum. Confirm. When you're done with all that, you can all confirm. And you'll see it has been adjusted successfully, so you don't have anything in the demo. So you can come here also again and click on adjust demo fonts and add fonts. So I want to add only 100 USDT, so I'll click on 100 and confirm. So it has been adjusted successfully. 99.99 US dollars. So when you want to, I told you I'm going to be teaching you how to take live trades on Bybit, and I just wanted to use the demo account to teach you guys how to take live trades. So when you want to take a live trade, you come to live trade on the real life chart. This is how you are going to see it. And come and click on futures here because it's futures you want to trade. Then I told you guys everything about this side, as you can see. So this is just exactly like the normal live trade. Come here, as you can see, everything is the same. So let's say I saw a signal, and signal is saying maybe long Solana. So I'll click on this name here, as you can see here, then click on this Solana, Sol USDT, then click on Sol USDT. So after I've clicked on it and I want to place a trade, I'm going to come to this side. I see trade here and click on it. So let's say the signal is on a market order. So, and the signal is trying to tell me that I should long it. So I'm just gonna come here and click on this side. You see limits here. As I told you guys, we're going to be using mostly limit and market order. So I'm going to come here and click on market order. I'm going to tell you the differences between market order and limit order. So this side you see Sol here. You can use USDT, order by value, and you can also use order by quantity. That is the Sol what we are using. But it's more recommendable to use the Solana, the order by quantity, sorry, and confirm. So there's something we call risk management, but we haven't gotten into that yet. It's gonna be coming in later. So let's say maybe out of $100, I want to use 20% of that $100, which is $20. So I'm just going to come here and adjust it here to 20%. As you can see, it's 1.2 Sol. Then this way, then let's say the signal is telling you that a TP is going to be maybe, let's see, the take profit is 156.486. Then come here and click on 156.486. This for the TP, for the take profit and stop loss. Then confirm. After you've confirmed, then the signal maybe is telling you the stop loss is around 152.596. Then come back here and click on 152.596. Then confirm. So this is how to set your stop loss and take profit. You come to this place. Let's say maybe you made what you wrote is you want to make a correction, and you can also come here and click this place. You see TP/SL. Come here and click on it. It will take you directly. And let's say the signal is telling you short, and you come to this side and short and put the take profit. This for the take profit and this for the stop loss. So long. So this take profit is trying to tell you that this is what you are expected to take away, the profit you are expected to make. Let's say the market is trying to reach that side. If it reach that particular side, it will remove you from the trade completely. So you have made a profit of 2.0879 USDT expected profit. And stop loss, let's say market didn't go your way, then you may lose 152. You may lose 2.5800 USDT. That's your expected loss. Then this is a signal. This is what the signal is telling us. For example, then confirm. After you've done that, so you're going to come to, okay, so because I told you it's market order, and then buy long, confirm. So as you can see here, this is the order you've made. Order on Solana USDT PEP, because you're using futures derivatives. Then this for the order you've made. Close long, as you can see everything. Then this is your position, and maybe you've entered a trade and you want to adjust something, maybe you want to adjust your take profit or stop loss, then you can also come here where you see set TP here, click on it and adjust it to anywhere you want to adjust it to. And also maybe your stop loss, you want to adjust it somewhere, then confirm to show you that you have adjusted it. So guys, let's move on. So next will be the limit order. Let's cancel, let's close this trade. Yes, so next guys will be the limit, how to take live trade on using limit order. So you come here and click on limit. That is when the signal is telling you that the entry will be maybe somewhere around here, anywhere, maybe this way. The entry is telling you that 154.441. so you're going to come here, click on 154.441. So guys, the difference between market order and limit order is market order, immediately you set it, it will start trading for you. But limit order, you want market to reach a particular point before it enters the trade for you. So that's the difference between limit order and market order. Market order is for you to enter the trade immediately, and limit order is when you want the market to reach a particular point before you enter the trade. And as you can see here, the available balance is 99.8076 USDT. That's what you can use to trade in this particular site. So let's move on. Limit, and let's say as I said, the signal is telling you 154.441 as the entry. So this way you come and click on 154.441. This place you see order price 154.441, and maybe you want to use 15% of your available balance, 15% of this. So after you've adjusted it, it will show you here. Then you also set your TP. The signal is telling you that long, you set it to long, and this is how to adjust your take profit and stop loss. So buy long, confirm. That's after you've done all that. So now when you get to this place, you go back to the chart. As you can see here, it will show you that there is an order at this particular point, that when market enters this, touches this this limit side, this point here, it's going to enter market and you will be into the market. So applies to the short trade, whether sell or short. Yes. So next is how to take cash outs. So let's cancel this order. You can also come here and maybe you want to set, you made a mistake, you want to reset your take profit or stop loss. You have to come here and modify. As you can see here, you can also change the price you want to use to enter the trade. You can change the limit where you want it to enter before it starts trading. Maybe you want it to enter 140, then you point maybe 62, and maybe you want to adjust your quantity to 1 Solana, and also you want to set your TP here and stop loss, confirm. So as you can see, you have modified successfully. So guys, let's cancel this order. I want to show you how to take cash outs, yes, and break even. So when you want to do those things, let's say I entered a trade at a market price and I used 10%, adjusted my TP here and also my stop loss here. So this the trade maybe I entered and I bought long. This is a position, it has already entered. So let's say you started maybe you have started making profits from where you entered. So you just have to come here, and let's say maybe you are told to take cash out, that you should not leave the trade, that maybe trade is going to come back. You are not sure that trade is going to come back, so you can come to this place you see close by here, and because it's a market we used, so you can take 75% or take 50%. You can take any of the percent. So let's see, I'm coming. Let me use something that will maybe be giving us profits. Let's enter this at market price. So guys, one of these trades is they told you that maybe you want to take, that you should take cash out. So you just come to this place you see close by here and click on close by. And as you can see, the profit I'm making already in this place is 0.01 plus 0.01. So I'll just come here and click on close by. This close by is when you want to go out of the market completely. So let's say I want to take 75% of my profit and continue trading. I'll just come here and click on 75, or maybe I want to take 50%. Come here and click on 50, but let's take 75%. Taking this 75%, your profits out of 0.01, 75% of 0.01 will be taken, and as you can see, it will tell you if you're in profit. It will tell you that expected profit is 75% of 0.00 of, yes, of that profit you are making, 0.01. So the remaining 25% out of 100, when you click on this 100, as you can see here, it's going to remove you from the market completely. So click on this 75% or 50% or 25% or also 10% of what you are getting, of the profit you are making. So I want to take 75% of my profit, so I'll just click on 75%, and the remaining 25% will still be in that trade. Yes, so that means then you now click on confirm, meaning I've taken 75% of that 0.01. So as you can see, it's still in the trade, it's still trading for me, but I've taken 75%. Let's close this too. As you can see, I'm closing. I'm taking out 100%, meaning I'm taking out everything, meaning I'm not going to continue to be in the trade. So you have taken it out. Then break even is like, let me see, adjusting your stop loss so that you won't lose anything. So I set a stop loss at this point, confirm. So this is where my stop loss, is, as you can see, SL here, and this is for the TP here, and this is where you enter the trade here. So what am I saying? Okay, so you want to break even. Break even is like you want to adjust your stop loss so that you won't lose much. So since I've taken 75% of my profit and the remaining 25% is still in the trade, so maybe market can go back to that point. So you will now adjust, you will now draw your stop loss here. That is when you're using Bybit. You move your stop loss to your entry, and your entry is this side. You see 68,335. That's where your entry is. No, sorry, that's not where your entry is. Yes, that's where your entry is. So you will now adjust your stop loss to your entry, 68,335. So you will now come here and click on 68,335. So as you can see, your loss, you will not lose anything. Your stop loss will be, you will not even lose much. Maybe highest you lose, maybe it's not up to maybe 0.0 something or 0 point something. So you click on confirm. So even if market comes back to that stop loss, you are not going to lose anything, since you have already taken 75% of your profit. So guys, I think that's all for now. So bye guys. Subscribe to our Telegram channel and also WhatsApp community group. Thank you guys.